Good morning, students. Students, in this video I will tell you that how to do the naming, the numbering, the selection of the hydrocarbon. Now look at this hydrocarbon. Students, in this you have to make chains. Like in this, two chains are possible. One is this straight chain, or one is like we can go by this way. These are the two possible chains. Now if I took this straight chain, if I take this straight chain, then it will include 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. And if I take this one, then it will include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. Now as I told you in our last video that the main chain should include maximum number of carbon atoms. So in which chain we have more number of carbon atoms? In this one. So we will take this as our main chain. So this is our main chain. Now I haven't included this carbon, right? Why? Because if I include this carbon, suppose if I start from this end, then I will go like this and this, and then I have to return back. And as I told you as a rule that the chain should be unidirectional, means if we go there, then if we move downwards, then this, means we can't do like this, like going this and then this, because we have to move according to the bonds. It's not like that you can move like this and this. No, as there is no bond between these two carbons, so you have to go with the bonds. And if we go with the bonds, then we have to select this one. If I go start from this end, then also, like if I start from this end, then this carbon to this carbon, then to this carbon. Now if I move towards this carbon, then it will be this, this and this. Means here the chain will end and we can't go this side again, because if we'll go like this, then we are again moving on this track. We have passed this track and again moving on this track, and this is not allowed in the rules. Fine. Now, so this carbon now becomes our prefix, because it is not the part of the main chain. So such carbon chains are regarded as prefix or side chains or substituents, which are not the part of the main chain. Okay, so this is the first thing, that is the selection of the main chain. Now second is numbering. Now numbering, we have to always start from one end. See, if I start from this end, then this will be carbon number 1, this will be carbon number 2, this, now this, then this will be carbon number 3. We have to number only the carbons of the main chain, means this carbon of the side chain, इसको हमने नंबर नहीं देना है. We are not going to number this carbon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, so this substituent is attached, or this prefix is attached to third carbon. If I start numbering from this end, then 1, 2, 3, means then also this carbon is getting third number. So it's your wish, you can do the numbering from this end also, you can do the numbering from this end also. Now I have done the numbering from this end also, so I am giving the name according to this. Now according to the rule, what is the sequence? The sequence is, firstly you have to write prefix, then word root plus primary suffix. Now here prefix is there. Okay, what is the prefix? It is a carbon chain. So whenever a carbon chain is in the prefix, okay, then it is written as alkyl. How it is written as? Alkyl. Like it is methane, it is one carbon, na? So the word root is meth. So it will be methane, and methane when in the side chain is written as methyl. And you have to give its number also, that to which carbon number it is attached. Like here it is attached to the third carbon, so it will be 3 methyl. because only one carbon is there. For one carbon, the word root is meth. So methane, because it's only the single bonded carbon. So methane, and methane in the side chain is termed as methyl. So 3-methyl, this is the prefix. Then the word root. How many carbons in the main chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 carbon atoms, the word root is pent. Sorry, students. So it is pent. Now, as there is no carbon-carbon multiple bond, so the primary suffix becomes ane. So it is pentane. So this is the complete name of the molecule, 3-methyl pentane. Okay. Now come to the next compound. This is the next compound. Now, as there is no turns, so this is the only main chain. As there is no turns. So we have done with our first step, that is the selection of the main chain. Now the second step, that is the numbering. Now how will you do the numbering? You can start it from here also, and you can start it from here also. Now, but I will start from this end. Why I will start from this end? Because if you start from this end, then this carbon will get the first number. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. If you start from this end, then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. If you start from this end, then this double bond will get the number 4. But a double bond में जैसे the one carbon is having number 4, one carbon is having number 5. You have to take the least number. Means you will say that the double bond is present at carbon number 4. So from this end, if you start the numbering, then double bond will get the number 4. But if you start from this end, then the double bond will get the number 1. 1 and 2 both are there, and I have told you that you have to choose the lowest one. So 1 you will choose. So you will say that the double bond is present at first carbon. So from here, from this end, the double bond is getting the least number. The double bond is getting the least number. So you will start from this end. Okay, the double bond or the substituent should get the least number. Okay, so you will start from this end. Now as there is no side chain, so no prefix. Okay, plus अब आ जाओ word root पे. As 5 carbons are there, so word root is pent plus primary suffix. Now as there is one carbon-carbon double bond, so the suffix will be -ene. So what is the name? Pent. As the double bond is present on first carbon, so pent 1-ene. 1 here tells you that the double bond is present at first carbon. Get it? So this was the example number 2. So in the same way, students, you have to do the rest also. I will discuss more in my next video. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.